Okay children, so yesterday in table 3, 22 items were given and we decided which one were changing blue litmus to red and red litmus to blue. And we also understood how to prepare a solution of lime water. And importantly, what did we understand is not to taste anything unless your parents tell you to do or the teacher tells you to do. These are the precautions you need to take care of. And now coming to let us do 4, activity 4. Let us do 4. What is this? Basing on table 3. Basing on table 3, you need to write down what are acidic substances, basic substances and neutral substances. What are acidic substances, basic substances and neutral substances? What are the basic substances? The ones which turn blue litmus red. Blue litmus red are acidic in nature. Now what are they here? Orange, tomatoes, vinegar, and then cucumber, then rich gourd, kheera, buttermilk, milk, lemon juice, orange juice. Here they gave only 4, so I am just writing 4, but in your classwork you can write as many because we have already made a note in the table. Seeing the table, you write any 4. Okay. Here I am writing orange, lemon, vinegar, and what else? Tomato. Okay. 4 acidic substances I wrote. Basic substances, what are they? Baking soda, and then washing soda, shampoo, baking soda, washing soda, shampoo, and then in the order only I am coming children. And then saliva no, alkaline. Actually saliva is alkaline, otherwise carbohydrates cannot be digested. Then bathing soap. Okay. Which I am very clear, those I am telling children. I will tell you one thing, never ever accept what I am telling. Maximum I try to give you the correct and authentic information. Here and there I may flounder. Just if you also have doubts, better get them clarified. We have many sources. Keep reading books, and even if I get any chance, I will also keep reading, and if there is any correction to be made, I will definitely inform you. Okay. So what I am very sure of, those I am putting here: baking soda, washing soda, shampoo, bathing soap. Okay. Right. Coming to neutral substances, mineral water is neutral, and then what else? Here what else did they give? Mineral water is neutral. Salt water is neutral, and then sugar is neutral. These I am very sure of, so I am mentioning these 3. Okay. As far as I know, even spirit should be neutral. It's an alcohol, so it cannot be a salt. It should be either base or that. Okay, fine. I'll get the clarity. But these are very authentic information. There is no doubt in this. Okay. So basing on table 3, we have filled the table 4. Now what else do we need to learn? Is about indicators. What are indicators? Any substance which makes us to understand whether the given substance is acidic in nature, basic in nature, or neutral in nature, those substances we call them as indicators. And we have natural indicators, and we have chemical indicators. Natural indicators, like we got, what is that? Hibiscus, turmeric. You can call this as turmeric also children. Turmeric, both are correct. English is a dynamic language. You can say it in any way and nobody is going to ask you. Beetroot. These are natural indicators. Okay. And chemical indicators are there, like for example methyl orange, I didn't explain this to you still, then I'll of course in the next part of the lesson we'll explain. And phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. Chemical indicators are there, natural indicators are there. Now what is an indicator? Once again we'll get the clarity in page number 12. It is there, children. Litmus paper also, how can I forget? This is more important. In almost all the labs we have litmus paper. Okay, remember, always remember one thing, blue litmus turns to red, that is acid. If blue litmus turns to red, it is acid, Br. Okay, it is acid. If red litmus turns to blue, it is base. Remember, blue litmus turns red, acid. Red litmus turns blue, it is a base. Keep this in mind, just like your 2 table, 2 ones, 2, 2, 2, 4, like that. You remember this also. This is very important. Litmus paper. And natural indicators are these. So what are indicators? Once again we'll come to that. Any substance which makes us to understand which substance is basic in nature, acidic in nature, or neutral in nature, that substance we call as indicators. Indicators which are available naturally are called natural indicators. Indicators which are prepared with help of chemicals, we call them as chemical indicators. Okay, now let us see acidic nature. For example, what is acid? For example, what did we think? Orange, lemon, vinegar, tomato. All these are sour in taste. They are sour in taste. That means acid is sour. It has a sourness, a tanginess, and suppose an ant is biting you, you get a kind of stingy feeling. A bee or a wasp also, when it stings, why do you get that pain? That is because an acid from the insect enters into your body and it reacts with our body. Because of that acid, we get the sting. If acid falls on us, how it will be? It will be stingy. So these are natural acids. What are they? Natural acids. For example, apple has malic acid. What is it? Citrus has citric acid. Buttermilk has lactic acid. And then tamarind has tartaric acid. And then like that. See your table in page number 12. I'll just read out. Acetic acid in vinegar, citric acid in lemon and orange, butyric acid in stale cheese. Stale cheese means the cheese which gets a little spoiled and gets sourness, no? In it we have butyric acid. And then lactic acid in buttermilk and curd. And then creolic acid in spinach and tomato. And then malic acid in apples, tannic acid in tea leaves. You get tannic acid. And then oleic acid in olive oil, stearic acid in fats, tartaric acid in grapes and tamarind, and in palm oil, palmic acid, and ascorbic acid in amla. Amla means gooseberry, and uric acid in urea. Uric acid in urine. So these are all natural acids. What are the chemical acids? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. These are chemical acids. So now you understand what is about acidic nature. Acidic nature, it has a kind of a sting. It has a sourness and it is tangy. Okay children, in our next session we will learn more about basic nature substances. Bye.